What's going on, guys? This is David with you. I hadn't posted a video up in a little bit, and so in this video I wanted to talk about advertising and how you can utilize different things to help you get more business for your business. So let's talk about Google Maps. Google Maps is free. What you can do is go to googlemybusiness.com and use your Gmail account. If you ain't got one, you can start a Gmail account. And you can enter in your name and all your business information, your hours of operation. You can also post and different stuff like that. And, you can put in keywords and different things that allow you for when people, type it in. Of course, if they're in your area, you will pop up on Google Maps. So, that being said, what they'll do is they'll send you a thing in the mail to verify your address. And then, generally that takes about 5 days. So with that up and going, that's free. That helps you. People can go on there and rate your business, which that's what you need to do. You need to ask them to go on there and give you a rating, 5-star ratings. We need 5-star ratings. And so that's one thing that you can do. The next thing that you can do is if you have a Facebook account. If you don't, I know some people don't have Facebook, but if you do, what you can do is create you a business page. Go in there and create you a business page. Start, uploading pictures, start making posts, start inviting all your friends and family there to it, and that'll also get you online too. But what you need to do is to help you spread more business on Facebook. Is you can join all these buy, sell, trade groups in your area. Like for instance, I'm in the Pensacola area, so I would type in, Pensacola buy, sell, trade, Milton buy, sell, trade, Pace buy, sell, trade, Navarre. All my areas that's around me, all the little towns around me generally have their own buy, sell, trade groups that people has created. And some of these groups have, 20,000 people in them, 10,000 people in them, 5,000 people in them. Each town varies. And so I don't recommend that you spam these groups, but at least, once or maybe twice a week at the most, you can post the ad up in there and people will like it, people will share it, and people will call you. So that's another thing that I would do to help get business as far as online presence. The next thing, which Craigslist has changed up a lot, you have to post up a ad, and they charge a little bit of money now, but it's not bad for 30 days. I think it's 30 days. I can't remember. But what that has done is since, people had to pay now, it's kind of weeded out a lot of people, which is good because, folks still go to Craigslist. Folks still use Craigslist. And I made a lot of money off Craigslist, but a lot has changed since then. But you can still use it to get calls to your business. The next thing that I would do is Google all your realtors, Google all your property management companies, and make sure that you got your insurance and your proper forms. That way that, they're going to acquire that. And so you could already have that. If you don't have that, they're not going to call you. Your insurance and your W-2 form. I believe it's W-2 form. I hadn't turned one in a long time. I might not be saying the right name, but that's make sure you have your proper forms that you need. Also, what I would do is have a flyer or have my business card describing what I do and the rates. Now, you only want to turn your rates in to the property management companies and to the realtor companies. You can also find these apartments. A lot of these apartments around here, they have maintenance guys, but they don't work on appliances. So you can go talk to them, and that will help you get business. So with Google Maps, with Facebook, with Craigslist, and with just going around doing some footwork, getting, the word of mouth out. Also, I would go talk to like these appliance stores, all your furniture stores. There was one town in particular where there wasn't no appliance technician, and I went and talked to a couple of the stores. It was a little small town, and they would throw me some business. So with all that being said, there's definitely ways that you can utilize without a big budget. If you got a big budget, you can boost ads, you can run Google ads, and you can do other things like that. We have Facebook ads and we have Google ads. And I really like Facebook because, you know, Google ads has kind of gotten a little different from when I used to use it. So I kind of like using Facebook more, but we still run ads. So with all these being said, you know, this would definitely get you business rolling in. You know, if you're not doing insurance work, this is the only way that you can get calls. Utilize all these. Well, this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. I appreciate all the people that subscribe to my channel. I'm about to break 400 subscribers. That's a blessing to me. I'm glad that my information out there can help people and encourage people. That's what we're here for. Here to help. Well, this is David. Y'all take care and have a good day.